How to know when a painting is finished? This is one of the trickiest questions. When it comes to painting, how do you know when it's done? Having been painting for a very long time, I know that it's easy just to keep going, adding more detail, tweaking this and that, until suddenly you've really sort of lost that fresh, expressive quality and everything kind of feels overworked. Does that sound familiar? If it does, honestly, you're not alone. I've been there plenty of times. But over the years, I've learned a few tricks that help you when you just need to take a break and step away for a while. So here are my tips for knowing when a painting is finished. Number one is to take a step back, quite literally. One of the biggest things you can do is step away from your painting and look at it from a distance. When you're up close, it's really easy to get lost in the detail and you really kind of miss the bigger picture. And standing back lets you see the overall balance, the composition, and whether anything really needs more work or if you're just fussing. It's like when you walk into a gallery and you look at something from across the room and it just works. So stepping back can really help. Number two is to walk away and come back later. I do this all the time. When you've been staring at a painting for hours, you stop seeing it properly. Take a break, whether it's a few hours or overnight, just give your eyes a rest. And then when you come back, you'll instantly spot something that might need adjusting, or you realise, actually, it's done. Number three is use a mirror or take a photo. So flipping your painting in a mirror or looking at it on your phone completely changes the perspective. It helps you see if anything is off or if it's working just fine as it is. I'll often take a photo, put it on the computer, and then I'll look at it and I'll instantly spot something. Next is to ask yourself, have I said what I wanted to say? A painting is a form of expression, so think about what you want to communicate. Have you captured the feeling, the mood, the movement you were after? If so, you're probably finished. Even if there are still little imperfections, sometimes leaving those raw marks actually gives a painting more life, so just walk away. Number five is to stop before you think you should. This one takes practice, but often a painting is finished before you feel ready to stop. If you keep going, you risk overworking it. So when in doubt, stop, walk away, come back with fresh eyes. There's honestly no magic formula for knowing when a painting is done, but trust yourself. If it feels finished, it probably is. And if you're unsure, step away, look again later, and let your instincts guide you. The more you paint, the easier this gets. So don't stress about it or being perfect. Just enjoy the process and come back and have a look at it again.